Good morning, Grumpy Pants. Got a case of the Mondays? Something wrong?
Yeah, the boss wants to know how much time we spent on the doors project yesterday, but not the whole thing. He wants to know individual things like measurements and cutting and installations, finish work.
Sounds like you need GrainChek.
Green what?
GrainChek. It's an app that helps you keep track of the time you spend on a project. It can record the entire project, but also the individual tasks. You can even upload pictures and send them to your boss.
Wow, it can do all that?
Yep, you can even download a spreadsheet of the project.
Wow, sounds like GrainChek could really save me some time.
Yeah, Grumpy Pants. Let's get back to work.